Hi, I'm Emily from Motor Match in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Ford Puma in blue. This vehicle boasts a 1.0 litre petrol hybrid engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards and is presented in the ST line trim. When looking at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from LED headlights with daytime running lights, complemented by the LED rear lights to ensure you are always visible to other road users. This vehicle stands on these 5x2 spoke black machined finished 17-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. Into the rear we have the stunning two-toned cloth upholstery with your red stitching, an Isofix anchor points there for securing those child seats, and a charge port in the back. Now into the vehicle's spacious boot, which reveals ample of room inside, perfect for the daily essentials like the weekly food shop. Into the front of the cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery with your red stitching on the front two seats as the back. We also get a glimpse here at your steering wheel, which, taking a closer look, is multifunctional with your cruise control on the left and infotainment system controls on the right. And ahead there we have your digital display. Moving over now to the infotainment system, you can access navigation to ensure you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys, as well as explore all the radio options available, or connect your own device to listen to your own music, or to make and receive those all-important. The infotainment system settings and vehicle settings can also be checked and adjusted via the infotainment system. You can also adjust the drive mode of the vehicle dependent on your journey that day, and you can connect via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity. A reversing camera as well as sensors is provided to make manoeuvring easier than ever, and your climate control is also adjustable via the infotainment system. In the centre console we have more charge ports so your devices are always charged. Thank you for watching this presentation on this automatic Ford Puma in blue. If you are interested in this vehicle, please do contact our friendly sales team here at Motor Match Stoke.